In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your code, how to control its visibility, and how to position it precisely on your page. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. You'll see your current theme at the top. Click the Main Theme button to open the editor. This is where you'll manage what appears on each page of your storefront. Next, decide exactly where the HTML should live. At the top of the editor, use the Page or Template selector to navigate to the area you want to edit. You can switch between the home page, a product page, a collection, or other templates, depending on where that custom content belongs. Picking the right template now ensures your HTML shows up only where you intend it to. On the left sidebar of the editor, scroll down and click Add Section. A list of available sections will appear. From that list, select Custom Liquid. This section is designed to accept custom code and will let you place your content without modifying theme files directly. A code box will appear. Paste your HTML into the Custom Liquid box. Keep your markup clean and self-contained to avoid conflicts with existing styles. If your theme has strong global styling, your HTML will likely inherit fonts and colors automatically, which helps it blend in. If you see unexpected formatting, consider using simple, minimal HTML so it plays nicely with the theme's CSS. Before you finalize, adjust the section settings as needed. Many themes let you control visibility on desktop or mobile. This is helpful if your code is designed for a specific device width. Toggle these options to match your needs, and use the section's built-in settings to fine-tune spacing or alignment if they're available in your theme. Now, position the content where it belongs. In the left sidebar, click and drag the new Custom Liquid section to reorder it. Place it above or below other sections until it sits exactly where you want it on the page. When everything looks good, click Save. That applies your new HTML addition to the selected template. Finally, check your result by viewing the page in your storefront. If the change isn't visible, make sure you saved, confirm you edited the correct template, and then refresh the page. That's it. You've added HTML to Shopify using the theme editor, kept it organized inside a Custom Liquid section, and placed it exactly where it needs to go.